What is going on, guys? It's Zach here from Hage's Ventures, or Hage's Butt Nuggets on Facebook. And I just got home from a couple days away. Well, I should say I was in here for a couple days since Thursday because I'll enter a photo right here. But so you see, we've been hiding something for a little while. Mr. Riverlane was born on Thursday at 8:23, and he's doing well, and he's healthy. And so now I am just, looks like there's an egg in there. I am just checking up on everything. We got home a little after 2, and now I'm just trying to get everything back. He's sleeping in his little rocker. I'm just gonna, and I got Miss Aaliyah out here with me. She's doing well. And you got some little ones back there. There's the 2 guineas. But I figured I'd come out here, get the eggs, and just walk around, because I mean, it's been a couple days since I've been here. While I was here, I came back Friday to drop off the Jeep, and the lid came off. And my dad met me here once he got off work. But other than that, I haven't been here. Friends of mine who lives in that camper was taking care of the house and the dogs and all the stuff. I think I'm going to leave these guys out a while, since they haven't been out in a couple days. And apparently, while I was gone, I think it was yesterday, it rained all day, and it was really windy, which blew that up. So I'll close that while I'm at it here. There goes all the ducks and chickens. And I was told Poofy has a cough going on, so I'm gonna have to watch that out. But let's go down here and see how many eggs we get today. I already picked one up, and Aaliyah wanted some attention, which, oh, there she is. So I was giving Leah a little attention, and then I started up the video here. So there's that one egg. I'll put it right up here. Hopefully it doesn't slide down, which we got 4 more in there. So there's 5. Looks like we got some new layers. Like that one's a small egg. So 5 in the OG coop. It's all muddy down here, if you can't tell. And there's 3 more. So there's 8. That's more than I've got in a very long time already, and that's just 2 coops. Are we going to have a dozen day? I mean, a lot of these you can tell they're like new layered eggs. So a lot of our new, our this year hens are finally starting to lay, which is awesome. It's a well needed thing. Because our, I guess last year's, only a few are laying. And there's a big brown egg. Whichever one is laying this has been laying pretty constantly every day. Here the guineas back there. Well, of course I didn't get to clean the rest of the coops. So that's sticking out there. I still got these two coops to do, which I'll probably do tomorrow. Today is Saturday, the 21st. Because River, I don't think I said his name. River Lane is his name. Was born on the 19th, and which is a year and 11 months difference from Keaton. And actually I think I'll put on both pictures of Keaton and River. I'm going to set you down here. I wish I would have put post over there. So I'm just going to set you right there. Come on, Missy. Come on. I'm going to go over here and set these over here so I can put these duck eggs in. 2 dirty duck eggs. Got one spot. Can we fill it? Can we fill that one spot? It'd be cool if we filled it with 3 chicken eggs, but I don't think we're gonna get that lucky. And no, fortunately, it's not. But this one doesn't look too hateful. I'm gonna definitely come in here and scoop out the rough spots, but that one ain't too hateful. That one should be a quick clean. But here's all the newer, smaller ones. And I don't know if I said anything, but I know, I think it was last video, if not the video before, I talked about I think I talked about a sick chicken. Well, it was the other leghorn. The other leghorn was sick. I tried to help it, and it just didn't come back, unfortunately. So we did lose one leghorn, which I'll probably end up getting more because they are good layers. They are good chickens. And we did have like 8 of them originally, but now we're only down to 1. There's other chickens that I do want to get. There's 2 the Polish, which I think I'm going to eventually get some. Well, eventually get more. I was late to Royal King's 50-cent dollar chick days, so I didn't get any this past week or any time here recently. Oh, I think I just missed it, but the guinea just flew over in. See if that female, it was a male. See if that female will fly over. But I have off this whole week coming up, so I will start working on, well, as long as it's not raining and anything, I'm going to start getting lumber and whatnot, and maybe clean up this run too, get these big rocks and stuff out. And I'm going to start trying to work on this and get this side done, and probably do a board and batten on the outside. I'm going to, well, wrap it and then put board and batten on it. And even though it's been exposed to the weather, get some board and batten on it and try to get it settled or looking better, so I can get fencing up and, well, fencing attached onto there, and get the fencing started. And then we can start her little outside coop. And I did see on a local Humane Society, I think it was, page of a I forget what kind of dog it was, but it was another dog kind of like her, just a different breed. That it was I think he was 4 years old, that was up for adoption. And honestly, I don't know. Oh, he came. Oh no, that's a female. Which I'm going to put them in separate pens, and hopefully they will end up breeding. But yeah, so just out here enjoying. Letting them run free, because they've been cooped up in the big run for a couple days. And I seen, well, I'm gonna have to get that covered back up. I'll do that tonight. See if my trap, I have a trap out here. See if it, and I've been having a fox come around. I think the chickens ate all the corn. I have acorns. Nope, nothing in the trap. Just a box trap. I put some meat and stuff in it. Try to get that fox, but that fox has been sneaky. But yeah, so I'm gonna get back inside, get back into River. He's sleeping. He's been really good. He's been sleeping right before we left the hospital. And yeah, so stay tuned, and I'll keep adding to this video. I don't know what all I'm going to do. It's probably tomorrow I'll come out here and start doing more. Maybe whenever I go in the store, maybe for lumber, or I don't know, we'll figure it out. But stay tuned and let's see what we get into. Hey guys, it's the next day. I just got back from the store and had Aaliyah out in the run. She did great all night. And just let the dogs out. And Mr. Man is out here with me. And just letting the dogs run. Hey dogs, come on. This way. Yaddy Echo. Yaddy Echo. Aaliyah, come on. Yaddy. But trying to keep them on this side of the fence. Aaliyah. Yeah, big truck. Mr. Man loves his trucks, don't you? Don't you love your trucks? They're in a red truck. Wow, and here comes Yeti. Yes, yes. Wow! What are you doing, Aaliyah? Mr. Man kissing my leg like he normally does. Aaliyah, stay here. Aaliyah. Aaliyah. Not much going on today. Just doing stuff around the house, trying to get caught back up. Just got feed from Trash Supply. And then went and got groceries. I figured why not let Lee out to run a little bit. And out of the run. She did well. But as I said, not much going on. Just out here with little man. And we're just gonna walk around a little bit. Looks like that hen wants to get out, but I'm gonna let them in for a little longer. We'll get eggs later, buddy, okay? After you wake up from your nap, we'll get eggs. And, well, I see the block bars. Leah, Echo Yeti! I gotta find the dogs. There's Yeti. Aaliyah! There's Echo. Now I just don't know where the white one went. There's Aaliyah. There you are. There you are. Yes, I see you too, jealouses. Check of the dogs. And check of the puppers. Yes, yes. Yes. Well, guys, I know this is a short video, not much going on, but I figured I'd at least do something for the week. Yeah, so thanks for watching. If you haven't, please go like and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one, guys.